Hi there, in this video segment, we're going to show you how you can insert a date timestamp script into a Google document so you can keep track of date and time when you have modified an individual document. And so in my example down here at the bottom, I've just inserted that timestamp in the very bottom of the document here, but you could put it anywhere that your cursor is in the document. In my case, it's in the footer. Now, one thing to remember with the way this is set up is that you update that manually. So if I wanted to update the date timestamp, I just clear what's there, put my cursor in there, and go up to the menu that we're going to add in just a little bit called Macros and choose Insert Timestamp, and then that current time would be added there. So it may not be a perfect solution, but it is a way for you to just by clicking an item in the menu, add that date timestamp at the bottom rather than having to manually type it. So to add that information, you need to get special code. And so I'm going to show you where that code is here. I will send this code to you, and you can go ahead and copy and paste that into a document. So we're just going to highlight all this code. You don't really need to understand all the details of it other than knowing how to copy and paste it. So we're going to do that. We're going to copy that, and we're going to open up a new Google document, the document that we want to use for our date stamp. So I'm just going to open up a new one here. And we're going to paste this code into the scripting area. And so to find that area, you're going to go to Tools and choose Script Editor. And then once this window opens up, under the options here for Create a Script, you're going to scroll down and choose Document in the list. And so select Document. It's going to open up a window that's going to have some preloaded scripting already in there, which you can get rid of. So we're just going to highlight all that stuff, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then hit Delete, and then paste in that new code from that previous document. And once that new code is pasted in here, you can click Save, give it a name. I'm just going to type in time 3 here because I've done this a couple of times. And it's going to update that script. And you'll notice you'll get a little confirmation up here of the progress of it, and it's done. And so now when I go to this menu here, select a function, I see Insert Timestamp as an option. And once that is displayed here, then I can click the Run button, and we'll go ahead and start to install that script for this particular Google document. So I'm going to click Continue, and it's going to ask me if I want to give it permission. Just choose Accept, and it'll run, and now this script is set up for just that document. And so now if I go back to my untitled document here, it takes a second. I'm just going to refresh it, but a menu will show up here after the add-ons menu. Just to the right of that, I will see that new menu appear in just a few minutes here. It does take a little bit for it to add, but now you'll notice that I have the timestamp here, and there you'll notice now that menu does show up. So it does take maybe 10-15 seconds. But if I wanted that timestamp to be in the footer, I would just go up to Insert, Footer, and at the very bottom here where the cursor is flashing now in the footer area, I would go to Macros and choose Insert Timestamp, and there it is. So it's not an easy process, but if you're really interested in having a timestamp on your document, this is probably the best way that's out there right now for that to happen. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.